Hi everyone friends, welcome to my channel, and today we have a Huawei Honor 9. As you see, the condition is not very well. The screen is damaged. Okay, I was trying to charge it and the motherboard is working. As well as always, I already ordered a new parts. This is LCD and the back glass, but when they send it to me, back glass has cracked, and I order a new one, so this is for a time when new one arrive. So what we have to do first, as always, to take out the SIM tray. SIM tray is from the side, don't forget. Okay, next we need to hit the back panel to take out the glass. Be careful, do it very carefully because you can hit it too much and damage some flexes or battery. So I will come back soon. Okay, I already hit it, and remember friends, this is glass, so be careful. We will start from the opposite side where is the bottom, but from the opposite side, because there must be some flexes. I guess in Huawei they do it like that. Okay. Glue it, but not so good enough. So maybe someone was there before me. Okay, we should check what we have. No, here we have nothing. Okay. Yep. Now we need to unscrew all screws around. As you see, there's the silver ones and black ones. So I will come back when I done it. Okay, I already unscrew everything, so we can try to take out the plastic guard. And this model, this is plastic and steel guard. So we will see how it must be taken out. Okay. It's very tight, holding on something, and I didn't understand on what it is holding. Or it's glued. Yep, it's glued. Only glued. Okay, what we have here, we need to disconnect flex of volume up, volume down, and the power button, then battery. No, battery, yeah, that was main flex, I guess. This is LCD flex. Okay, and the coaxial, small one, tiny cable, as always. Okay, what we have here next? Maybe there's some screw that holding motherboard, or no, there isn't. Okay. No, I didn't see nothing. So we can try to take it out. Okay. It's glued. Maybe. Yes. A bit. So, yeah. This is motherboard. Next, what we have to take out, this is vibrate motor, and I don't know, maybe I should I will come back when I hit it. I need to hit it. Okay, I'm back and already hit everything. So what we should take out, and we can take a new LCD. It is with frame, so it will be much easier to do everything, and we can start to put it back. Okay, yep, nice. Next, the speaker. Yep, and I think, yep, it's normal. I didn't peel off the guard, as you see here. Okay, now it's done and we can put in. Next, what we have, this thing, I don't know what is this, maybe some LED, I guess it's LED. Yes, it is LED. Okay, in the place. What next? What is this? This nothing. Okay. The volume up and volume down flex I will leave because there is a new one. Now we can start to take plastic guard from the bottom board. Okay, from which side is better? It's glued. Yep, this is glued nicely. Okay, what we have here? Here we have no screws, no nothing, just our tiny coaxial cable. We disconnect it, then the earphones port, main flex, and fingerprint and finger button flex, and we can try to take it out somehow. It's not screwed with no screws, with no nothing, so don't be afraid. Okay, for that I have, it comes easily, and here it is glued 100%. Yep, and we need to disconnect as well another one. Okay, okay, thank you very much. I need to clean this part, as you see, and when I done it I will come back. Okay, done, and we can start to assemble it back in the place. Okay, what we have here, this is glue. Okay, okay. It's in its place, and we should connect the flexes, most of them. Okay, and as well we can put the motherboard, I guess, back Yes, it's in the place. Okay, and don't forget the earphones. Okay, now I need to take out the battery and the main flex from the bottom of battery. I will heat it with a fan. Be very careful when you done it because it's battery, it can explode. I will come back soon. Okay, as you see, I take out the battery. So what next we should do is to take off the flex. Do it carefully. Don't be like me. Okay, we will put it back, but first we need to peel off all the plastic guards. It will be easy for us to work and to glue. Okay. It's a bit difficult to connect it. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And you. Okay, what next? Next I need to somehow to connect. Yeah, I connect that finally. Thank you. Now we need to connect the main flex, as you see, and put it on the glue. Okay, here we connect it, and here not. Connected. Okay. What next? We should put the guard, plastic guard, and as well we need to put back battery. Okay, connected, and let's see if we done everything properly. Okay. Let's see. It's thinking. Okay. Okay. Disconnect. Now we can assemble. Put back the guard, who is a bit deformed when I take it out. It was on some kind of glue. Okay. And now we can screw back all screws. I will come back when I done it. Okay, I already done it, so now we can put a SIM card, and I won't put a glass because, as you remember, it was damaged when they sent me, so I will just put in the case and wait for the new one glass, and then I will fix it. So we can try to take it, power on the mobile phone, and see how it works. Oh, okay, there was a code. So I will ask my friend what is the code of this phone. Okay, so this is it. We finish another one restoration. So I guess it helped you. See you next time on my next video. Bye.